Every weekend, he wakes before sunrise, not for work, but to modify his car. His garage holds a car already running perfectly, yet he plans extensive new upgrades. Friends call him obsessed, family worries about money, but he feels these changes necessary. Every part installed, every adjustment made, reflects his personal control over an unpredictable world. Modifying cars is more than mechanics. It expresses identity, creativity, and emotional connection profoundly. A car is not just possession, it becomes a space people inhabit daily, intimately. Spending hours inside, he redesigns a moving space, like decorating his own private sanctuary. Modifications announce personality to the world, broadcasting aspirations, values, and future self-image clearly. Cars become physical manifestations of who people want to be, beyond current reality. Our 13-year-old working entry-level might drive a turbocharged Civic reflecting his ambitious future. Each part represents capability, speed, and accomplishment he wishes to achieve in life. Marcus from Toronto worked multiple jobs to fund Subaru WRX modifications he deeply cherished. His constantly moving childhood left instability. The car became the one consistent, controlled environment. Each modification offered autonomy, control, and stability he rarely experienced in other life areas. Car communities fulfill belonging needs, where passion, knowledge, and respect create emotional connections strongly. Car meets aren't just displays, they create tribes, friendships, and shared understanding among enthusiasts naturally. Someone spending $100 ling on a Nissan Semi-Wurser Z gains admiration and respect within the community. Shared language of horsepower, torque, suspension, and aesthetics builds bonds beyond ordinary social interaction. Maslow's hierarchy shows belonging sits above safety. Car culture fulfills that universal human need. Young enthusiasts find inclusion, recognition, and shared passion that modern society often fails to provide. Choosing parts, colors, and modifications becomes an artistic act expressing personal vision uniquely. Mass-produced vehicles are transformed, reflecting creativity, imagination, and aesthetic decisions similar to visual artwork. Completing installations triggers dopamine release, activating the brain's reward system, providing pleasure and emotional satisfaction. Finishing a new exhaust or custom paint job feels neurologically similar to artistic achievement. Not all modifications come from passion. Some stem from insecurity or compensatory emotional needs. Loud exhausts, aggressive kits, and lowered stances sometimes demand recognition otherwise lacking in life. Researchers found many modified car owners felt overlooked, underestimated, or undervalued professionally or socially. Cars can act as validation tools, signaling presence, capability, and status in visible ways. Motivations exist on a spectrum. Passion, creativity, and emotional compensation often coexist simultaneously. Mastery and skill development drive many enthusiasts to install parts themselves, not simply outsource work. Learning through tutorials, forums, and trial and error transforms beginners into skilled car modifiers over time. The progression from novice to expert provides profound psychological satisfaction and sense of achievement. Mihaly Csikszentmihalyi's concept of flow explains deep focus, losing track of time, complete immersion. Many enthusiasts experience flow while adjusting suspension, tuning engines, or completing intricate modification tasks. The challenges are balanced perfectly between skill level and task difficulty, sustaining full engagement. Father and son, restoring a Supra in Melbourne, shared meaningful conversations while working on modifications. Bleeding brakes, aligning suspension, and troubleshooting wiring fostered trust, bonding, and mutual understanding deeply. Cars became mediums facilitating dialogue about fears, dreams, and life experiences rarely discussed elsewhere. Car culture organizes rituals, meets, and gatherings that satisfy social needs unmet in modern life. People travel long distances to participate, displaying vehicles, exchanging knowledge, and celebrating shared enthusiasm collectively. These gatherings foster face-to-face interaction, community engagement, and authentic human connection beyond digital screens. Humans evolved in tight-knit communities. Car culture fulfills deep-seated desire for group belonging inherently. Modified vehicles often deliberately challenge conventions, louder, lower, and more aggressive than socially expected standards. This controlled rebellion allows enthusiasts to assert independence, identity, and personal autonomy safely and creatively. Financially, spending large sums on modifications may seem irrational, but provides emotional and psychological rewards. The emotions often outweigh logic. The joy, pride, and identity reinforcement justify financial investment personally. Turbochargers, suspension kits, and custom paint might strain budgets but deliver meaningful psychological satisfaction consistently. Humans make decisions based on feelings, not purely rational cost-benefit calculations in personal pursuits. Car modification reflects universal drives, self-expression, mastery, belonging, autonomy, and emotional fulfillment simultaneously. The enthusiast's car is a canvas for creativity, identity, and personal narrative uniquely expressed. Art, music, sports, or vehicles are different avenues for achieving psychological needs universally. Understanding modified car culture reveals deeper truths about human motivation, desire, and social behavior broadly. Observing someone install parts or tune engines shows patience, discipline, and goal-oriented persistence vividly. Identity is projected outward through the car's appearance, performance, and unique, personalized modifications visibly. The process of planning, installing, and refining provides gratification beyond mere functional improvement technically. Creativity, emotional compensation, social belonging, and control coexist, forming complex motivations behind every modification action. Observers may see excess, but each modification represents effort, thought, and psychological meaning purposefully. The car acts as therapy, offering stress relief, emotional processing, and a controlled environment privately. Personal expression, skill mastery, and social engagement combine, producing profound, multi-dimensional psychological fulfillment continuously. This culture emphasizes participation, achievement, and shared understanding, fulfilling human needs unmet elsewhere reliably. Rebellion within car modification culture provides safe experimentation with independence, identity, and self-expression creatively. Modified cars defy norms without serious consequences, allowing psychological satisfaction and autonomy simultaneously. Young enthusiasts explore individuality by challenging conventions, establishing separate identities from family or society. Confidently, car modifications convey personal statements publicly, reflecting beliefs, values, and personality through design choices clearly. Community recognition reinforces self-esteem, respect, and belonging within car culture environments consistently. Even financially risky decisions make sense emotionally, fulfilling needs that logic alone cannot satisfy effectively. Enthusiasts invest in parts for feelings of pride, accomplishment, and personal identity reinforcement substantially. Observing completed modifications provides pleasure similar to witnessing artistic achievement, mastery, or creative realization tangibly. Vehicles transform into symbols of aspiration, self-expression, and control over domains outside daily life externally. Social gatherings, competitions, and meets strengthen communal bonds, reinforcing belonging, shared passion, and collaboration repeatedly. Relationships develop through discussions about engines, design, performance, and modification techniques extensively. Car culture satisfies intrinsic needs, control, mastery, belonging, self-expression, creativity, and emotional processing simultaneously. Each modification communicates a personal narrative, telling stories of identity, ambition, and psychological fulfillment effectively. Observers see steel and paint. Insiders perceive effort, creativity, mastery, and emotional significance deeply. Ultimately, cars aren't merely transportation. They embody therapy, art, community, and personal identity uniquely combined. Every bolt, every paint stroke represents hours of dedication, creativity, and psychological investment personally. Car modification transforms ordinary objects into extensions of self, reflecting dreams, ambitions, and identity visibly. Enthusiasts experience flow while immersed in tuning engines, adjusting suspension, or installing custom performance components deeply. The dopamine released after completing projects reinforces continued engagement and emotional satisfaction. Neurologically, cars bridge the gap between current reality and the aspirational self-envisioned mentally. Modification culture fosters belonging, recognition, and shared passion, creating meaningful social structures outside traditional frameworks. Community rituals, car meets, and collaborative projects provide tangible interactions absent in modern digital society. Young enthusiasts develop autonomy and independence through controlled rebellion expressed via vehicle modifications creatively. Emotional compensation motivates some modifications, providing validation and confidence in social or professional contexts simultaneously. Mastery of skills, learning, and hands-on experience satisfies competence and achievement, psychological needs effectively. Cars become moving canvases, communicating personality, creativity, and life stories to the world intentionally. Observers may perceive irrationality, but insiders recognize deep psychological meaning and personal fulfillment consistently. The culture balances artistry, engineering, community, and personal expression uniquely in every modification undertaken. Every project, small or large, contributes to identity formation, emotional regulation, and social integration substantially. Ultimately, a modified car embodies passion, creativity, control, belonging, and personal identity all harmoniously combined.